This is one of the that panicum or one of the millet actually. The whole thing is hairy and it's a very bad location, harsh location, full of hairs throughout the plant, from base to top to bottom, and very beautiful also. So attractive, these colors and everything, sight to behold. So this is the bottom leaf. So everything has hairs. A little bit color also is there, dark color I think, probably because of the sun. Then one stem is emerging. This is the other leaf. That one. Then single stem is emerging, and then the that flower also can be seen. That is the flower. Somewhere flower also is visible in this. Anyway, that is how the seeds look. From that it is good enough for identification. So that is one. This is probably the same one, drier seeds. So attractive it is. Each seed having hairs. So this is a more mature one of the same species. Again, hairs can be seen all over the. This is probably annual and not perennial. So yes, the whole thing is such an attractive. Yes, my God. These hairy things, that whole appearance with these lines and all is very, very beautiful. So that is how it looks. Again, single stem with this, that's an older plant. So that is one species, this one. That one. The other one is this short leaf love grass. This also is there in plenty in this particular community. This one, Eragostriella or something, whatever it is, that one. Then several cypresses are there. I decided not to look at cypresses because then it is beyond, it gets too complicated. Already grasses is drying around the bend. So these are all the that same short. This whole community is for harsh community, harsh location community. So that is the Eragostriella. Not Eragrostis, Eragostriella, yes. Some 6 or 8 species of them are there. This is one that is visible around Bangalore all the time, and it is also very attractive if you expand it sufficiently and see. So under a microscope or something, one has to look at these smaller parts. So that is other resident. It has this kind of round formation usually. This Eragrostis, and probably it appears to be perennial. That is my feeling, though by growing I have to confirm. Then same thing, more bigger formation. So 2 species I think. 2 species of grass. One is this one, already I showed many times. Since it's so attractive, you can look again. This one. And this one, this plant is having second bunch of flowers. This also is the same one. Hairy with grain type seeds. That one. This is the third one, but its flowers are not to be seen. That one. So these are all there, and one Phyllanthus also is there of this location. That is this one. Harsh location Phyllanthus. This also is curled up and all for the heat. Each of these things deserves separate videos and all. They're so attractive and nice. So to protect itself from the heat, some mechanism is there to fold up and all. And many of them have that C4 pathway who occur in this kind of location. So half a dozen species, 4 or 5 we saw. One Phyllanthus, 2 legumes are there. Second one is this Stylosanthus also is there, this one. One of that Stylosanthus of this Bangalore. So Stylosanthus, this Panicum or whatever this one is, Eragrostiglia, then one Phyllanthus. Apart from that, this is Crotalaria mysurensis. This one also has got a little bit eaten by something or other. And 2 bigger grasses are there. These flowers are not appeared, so I can't look at them. And at the edge of this community, this whole thing is some 4 or 5 feet tall or long and a couple of feet wide. And at it tapers down. The mud and all decrease. And the nutrient content also decreases. So towards the end, we can see one Murdania. This is that Murdania semiteris are one of them with the that pink stem, pink succulent stem. This one. This is one of the Murdania of harsh places. And finally, where no one else can survive, Oropatium is there. This is the last frontier. This one. Where this occurs, nothing else can occur. This one. The most remarkable of plants. So once again, we look at one of them to get an idea of the how bad the location is. This one you can see here clearly. This is the flower. Though what is this fat stem, I didn't understand. Or it's another species altogether. It is something else growing behind actually. This one. This is something else. Only this is the that desiccation resistant Oropatium. This one. So nothing else survives at the edge of this community. Outlier is this one. And then it doesn't like taking care and all. If you attend it, it will die. So if you want to grow it, create this kind of condition only. Don't provide any nutrient and all. Don't even water often after it survives initially. And then it will do well. Flowers, everything can happen. More neglected, the better. So this is the highlight of this season among the plants that I found. I found this to be most interesting and most attractive, and also apparently this Murdania also can survive with this one. Equally harsh location. Wherever this Oropatium is there, it is accompanied by one Murdania, because the coolness provided by this one is sufficient for the Murdania, this one. So this two can form a companion. Here we can see one example. Here also this Oropatium is little bit dried up, but Murdania also survived. Here also one Oropatium along with one Murdania. So they appear to be friendly with each other. So Murdania, Oropatium. Murdania Oropatium. Here also Murdania. Here only Oropatium is there. It's the lousiest location. Little bit behind there's Murdania and Oropatium, and even more behind this is that this Eragrostella bifaria or whatever it is, that one. This one, smaller one of that, and then about 2 inches away is this this one, this Oropatium. This is also Oropatium. So at the first stage, over here only Oropatium is there, worst location. As you go a little bit up, Oropatium and Murdania is occurring, that Bangalore Murdania. And then when you go even more upstream, little bit the nutrient density and all increases, that substrat. First of this one starts, this one. Then as you go back, more and more plants appear, and here it increases in height little bit, that substrat. So some moss and all also can grow in the crevices here, and these grasses can become little bigger also. And then the first of the this one is appearing, this hairy panicum or whatever, this millet grass, and all of them are extremely beautiful if one magnifies and sees carefully. For example, this inconspicuous seed, the amount of intricate details that are there in this is amazing.